Hello guys, my name is Justin and welcome back to a new video. Today I'll show you how you can replace your E46 gear shift knob. So what you will need is a brand new knob. This is an M Performance one, an original one. I paid like 80 euros for it and it's really nice. It's super heavy and it's gonna be a very nice upgrade. So first of all, what you need to do is to remove the old handle. So to do that, put the car into neutral, and then what you need to do is pull up really hard, because this is not a screw down knob. It just kind of you just kind of put it in, so you need to pull really hard upwards to yank it out of position. So this is what I'm gonna do right now, and it's gonna take some strength to do it. Be careful so you don't break anything in your car or bust out your teeth. But when you remove it, you just simply put the brand new knob on like this and click it into place, making sure that it doesn't move anywhere, like this. And yeah, simple as that. A very simple, very cheap, kind of cheap upgrade, which will make the car feel and drive a lot better. And yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more BMW related content. As always, thank you very much for watching, and until next time.